Did you know there's a hidden ocean deep within our planet? Scientists have discovered a vast reservoir of water trapped within a mineral layer called ringwoodite, located 400 miles beneath the surface. Ringwoodite is unique because it can absorb water, holding it within its crystalline structure. This hidden water, 3 times the volume of our oceans, plays a crucial role in the Earth's water cycle. Volcanic eruptions are influenced by this deep water, impacting everything from tectonic activity to the creation of new land. This discovery opens new doors in understanding how our planet functions and its geological history. Subscribe to uncover more amazing secrets about our planet.